What's going on, everybody? Today I'm doing an unboxing video. This is my first one. I've never done one before, but I ordered brake calipers from Rock Auto. They're Power Stop and they're powder coated red. 100 for the front, 200 for the back. So altogether around 300. It was 333 in total. So this is brakes that are gonna go all the way around the Del Sol. I'm gonna do an unboxing video, show the quality, how they come, and I'm also gonna do a video of installing them and how it feels on the car, and just my overall opinion if it's worth it or not. So I did open the top because it's gonna be hard for me to do with one hand, but the other boxes I didn't open, so I'm actually gonna see them the first time with you guys. Even if they're wrong, I'm gonna still post this. So let's dig into this, okay? So overall, pretty good packaging. It came in probably like, I think 3 days. It was really fast, and I paid for the cheapest shipping. They did have other shipping options, but I just went with the cheapest one. Packaging is halfway decent. Okay, it says A and B. Let's see what we got here. So this is the front, I'm assuming. The powder coat finish on it is actually really nice. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Like, not even a little bit. I don't know how well you guys can see that because of my camera quality. But the overall finish and feel is really nice. And it feels solid and pretty heavy in my hands. This is the left side. So comes labeled. So that's one. So I'm assuming this right here is the right side. Comes with a little label, a little warning label. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see this box. Again, packaging isn't packaging isn't all that bad. I really wouldn't ask for more when it comes to calipers. I'm sorry if the camera keeps moving. I can't open this with one hand and hold the camera at the same time. So just bear with me. This is the right side, and I think some hardware just dropped. It comes with hardware, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, right here. Comes with some hardware. Okay, so that's the first box, and then we got the second box. This is gonna be the rears, I believe, because the rears look a little funky. They don't really look like the fronts. So let's see. Eventually I want to go like dual piston because they just look better. And if the maker of these, Power Stop, is listening, please start powder coating these in different colors. I really wanted a yellow. I couldn't find yellow calipers anywhere because my car's black and everybody does red calipers on their car. Like, not everybody wants to be the same. So that would be nice if you guys are listening, and I would be more than happy to sponsor and show more of your products on my channel. Okay, so this is the rears. Okay, this is the right side. Comes with some hardware as well. Let me see. Put these next to each other. Actually, I got this all wrong. So the first ones that I pulled out were the rears. The second ones that I pulled out were the fronts, because the fronts are bigger than the rears. You can see it's a really nice caliper though. I mean, really, really nice. Let me put it in the sun. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but the finish on it is it's just good. It just feels solid. Like, it don't feel like cheap calipers. And on the Rock Auto website, they were the most expensive ones there. So, I mean, they better not freaking be crappy, you know? People are paying good money for this stuff, which is why I chose to review it. So, all right, we'll open the next one. Okay. Comes with some hardware as well. This is this is the left side front caliper. And believe it or not, it came on Sunday, because today's Easter Sunday when I'm recording this, so it came on Sunday. The FedEx truck pulled right up, made my Sunday. So if you guys are wondering that, yes, you can get your package on a Sunday. I think I ordered it like Thursday or Friday, and then it came Sunday. I'll let you know how fast it was in the description. It came from Illinois, and I live in the East Coast, so it's pretty fast. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing video. Like and subscribe if you like what you see and if it's helpful to you. And I'll post another video soon of the calipers on the car and what I think of them. Let you know if they're worth buying or not. All right.